Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a haul from, of course, Base's Loaded Lacquer. Miss Tara has changed the name from Braves Diva to Base's Loaded Lacquer. It's going to take a minute for most of us to get used to that. I will have her information down in the drop box. So she put out a bingo collection, which if you haven't gone and checked out Base's Loaded Lacquer, the Bleachers Creatures on Facebook. She does normally once a month. There's a live bingo game, and it's hilarious. She had been on me for like years, or a year, to come join them, and I didn't do Facebook, so I just wasn't interested. But eventually, my curiosity got the best of me, and I went and checked it out, and I love it. So y'all can go check that out. I will try to remember to put a link down there below. So this collection is 6 polishes related to the bingo. The bingo. And they're all toppers. I am going to swatch them today over black and white. Now, these would look amazing over a lot of other colors. So don't just, think only black and white. That's the only ones that they can go over. That is so not true. And then I picked up 2 other polishes that were some kind of like maybe Facebook customs or something special or oopsies. I don't know. I just had to have them because they're so pretty. So let's just hop right on into this. Can you not? They're all going to look the same to you on camera until we swatch them. And then we've got Drink. Next up we have 069. See that they really do. They all look the same. We're gonna see. And then next is Piz Wins Again. So pretty. Y'all know I'm a junkie for these flaky toppers, so I was excited for this collection. This is Raise Your Hand If You're a Virgin. Okay, and the name of the collection is Bingo Topper Collection. I'm so glad she put that on the label. The next one and the last one from the collection is called Tiddlywinks. Those are the little markers you use to put on your bingo cards. So here we go with that. And the 2 extras I got are Trade Rumors. And it's showing it much brighter. It's much more muted in real life. And then Simply Olive. And that one's not showing up as green, it's looking more brown. So let me get this, the lid's snapped open. I do have a swatch wheel ready, and we're going to swatch these out. Alright, we're going to hop on in here, and this is Can You Not? It has unicorn flakies that shift from lime, green, turquoise, cobalt blue, and purple. So I'm hoping maybe giving the descriptions will help you maybe see the colors. This is Drink. And it shifts from turquoise, violet, lime green, and pinky purple. And don't forget to try them over other colors. 069, these unicorn flakies are lemon lime, bright blue, and golden yellow. Very, very nice. Piz Wins Again is pink, purple, lime green, and orange gold. They look so similar in the bottle that I figured getting descriptions would help. Raise Your Hand If You're a Virgin shifts from seafoam green to a soft pink with those unicorn flakies. Very, very nice. There's some bigger chunks in this one. I like it. And Tiddlywinks, their shift is from golden yellow, pinky purple, bright green, fuchsia, and cobalt blue. A lot going on in that one. And then Trade Rumors is a muted rusty cream that stamps and water marbles like a dream. I can vouch for that. And then Simply Olive is a muted olive cream that also stamps and water marbles. So here we go with our second coats. This is Can You Not? Can you not? It's so pretty. All of them are just so pretty. I mean, yeah, just broken record over here. Here's some swatch photos of Can You Not. I love it. And this one is Drink. Drink. And it's another stunner. And here are swatch photos of Drink. Oh, I love them. 069. This one really builds up. It's so pretty. Builds up so nicely. You really see those greens and yellows. There's the swatch photos for 069. And now we have Piz Wins Again. You can really see. I think the two that jump out the most are Piz and 069. I think those two are like more, maybe they're a little more chunky, so you can see them better. And there's the swatch photo for Piz Wins Again. Raise your hand if you're a virgin. This one's very nice. And the formula is really nice on these. I only used one coat of top coat before my pictures, and they didn't seem like they needed more. So raise your hand if you're a virgin. Swatches, pictures, and then Tiddlywinks. Very, very cool. I am in love with this collection. I think that they're going to be real fun to play with. And there we go with Tiddlywinks. And there are the swatch photos. And then Trade Rumors. Really didn't need a second coat, but we're going to do it anyway. I really do love this. Nice. And Simply Olive. We'll be doing a manicure very, very soon with these two. So, I hope you enjoyed these swatches. I will have a link down below for Bases Loaded Lacquer. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.